Hi students. So in the previous video we discussed about the optimal page replacement algorithm. In this video we'll discuss about the LRU page replacement algorithm. So here LRU stands for least recently used, which means whatever the page which is least recently used, that page is to be replaced. Now we'll see with an example. So we are taking a reference string. So here is the reference string is 7 0 1 2 0 3 0 4 2 3 0 3 1 2 0. So this is the example reference string and we already discussed. Now we are taking the main memory. So in the main memory we are having the 3 frames. This is the frame 1, frame 2 and frame 3. So initially was the CPU demanded page is 7. So actually 7 is not presented in the main memory. So we need to take it from the disk. From the disk we are loaded into main memory. So we can call it as a page fault. So as the next CPU demanded page is 0. So 0 is not presented in the main memory. So we can call it as a page fault. So this particular 0th page will be taken from the disk and which is loaded into main memory. 7 0. So next page is 1. So this is also not present. So we can call as a page fault. 7 0 1. So as the next page is 2, but which is not present. It's already full. Which is already full, but it is not present. So you can call as a page fault, but we need to replace one page. So what's the type of algorithm we are using? LRU algorithm we are using. LRU stands for least recently used. So we will see in this way. So which one is least recently used? For example, 1 is most recently used, 0 is somewhat recently used, but 7 is least recently used. So 7 will be removed. 7 will be removed. So 7 will be replaced with an 2 0 1. So the next one 0. So 0 is already there. We can write like as an hit. So next one is 3. So 3 is not there. So you can write like as a page fault. So which page is need to be replaced means we'll see this side. 0 is there, 2 is there, 1 is there, but 1 is least recently used. So 1 will be removed and 1 will be replaced with an 3. 2 0 3. So next page is 0. So 0 is already present. So we can call as an hit. So next one is 4. 4 is not present. So you can call as an page fault. But which page you need to remove? So 0 3 2. 2 is least recently used. So 2 will be removed. And 2 will be replaced with an 4. 4 0 3. So next one is 2. So 2 is not there. We can write like an page fault. But which page you need to be removed? 4 0 3. So 3 is least recently used. So 3 will be removed. 4 0 2. So next one is 3. 3 is also not there. We can write like in page fault. but which page we need to remove? 2 is recently used, 4 is recently, but 0 is least recently used, so 0 will be removed. 4, 3, 2. So next one is 0, so 0 is also not there, so we can write like an page fault. But which page need to be removed? 3 is recently used, 2 also recently used, but 4 is least recently used, so 4 will be removed. 0, 3 and 2. So next one is 3. So 3 is already in the main memory, so we can call it as an hit. So next one is 1. So 1 is not there, we can call it as an page fault. But which page you need to remove means 0 least recently, 3 recently, but 2 is not is an least recently used, so 2 will be removed. 0, 3, 1. So next one is 2. 2 is also not there, we can write like an page fault, but which one is to be removed? So 0 is least recently used, so 0 will be removed. 2, 3, 1. So last one is 0, so 0 is also not there, you can write like an page fault, but which page is to be removed? 2 is mostly used, next one, and 3 is least recently used, so 3 will be removed. 2, 0, 1. So this is the least recently used algorithm, means the page which is least recently used, that page is to be removed. Now we'll calculate the hit ratio as well as the page fault ratio. Now the number of hits is equal to 1, 2, 3, and the next number of page faults is equal to 12. Now we'll calculate the hit ratio. Number of hits by the number of hits 3, and total number of references are 50 into 100. Now we'll get them 20%. And the same way fault ratio is equal to number of faults by total number of references into 100. Now we'll get an 80%. So we already explained the number of hits and the number of faults, which is purely based upon the reference string. So these are the 3 different types of page replacement algorithms. The next topics will be seen in the next video.